Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Photoshop to Adobe Fonts for consistent typography. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Photoshop to Adobe Fonts for consistent typography, start by opening Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Ensure you are signed in to your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Next, navigate to the upper right corner of the window, where you will find the Creative Cloud icon. Click on the Creative Cloud icon to open the application. From the Creative Cloud interface, locate and select the Fonts section. You will be taken to the Adobe Fonts webpage. Here, browse or search for the fonts you wish to use in your projects. Once you find a font you like, click on it to access the font details page. Select the Activate button to enable the font. You will see a notification indicating that the font has been activated. Return to Adobe Photoshop and open the document where you want to use the newly activated font. Select the text tool from the toolbar on the left. In the text options at the top, click on the font drop-down menu. Scroll through the list to find your newly activated Adobe font. Click to select the font, and it will be applied to your text. If you don't see the font immediately, try restarting Photoshop to refresh the font list. Now, you can enjoy a more consistent typography experience in your design projects. Make sure to explore various fonts to enhance your creative work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.